Come to the water, you thirst, and your thirst no more. Mm-hmm. 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 Come to the treasure, you go, and you get no more. Oh, you favorite man, and to the rocket is shining. Love is here, love is now, love is voices from Israel. Love is near, satisfied. Streets of the glory of His eye, and love is near. Come to the Rio, you walk, and you walk no more. Come to the treasure you want, and you want no more. Are you everything? Are you wrong? Love is here, love is now, love is voices from Israel. Love is near, satisfies, strange early voice from Israel. It ain't going hard treasure. We are used to having our way. He is the Lord. He is the Lord of we. We're so sorry that we this happened. What are we gonna do with us now? He is the Lord. He is the Lord of we. Love is near, love is now, love is voices from Asia. Love is here, a satisfied, stranger than the boy from Asia. Love is here. You're watching WBTV News. The time is 11 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Thanks for listening to my song of Love is Here. Thanks for me singing it for y'all on the news. I hope I did a great job. Did you like my song, baby?
I loved your version of Love is Here, Miss Pretty Lady. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you, baby. I try to do the best I can.
Huh?
I said I try to do the best I can.
Yes, sweetheart. You sure do, honey. You sure do.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I try to do the best I can, baby.
Uh-huh. You did wonderful.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Uh-huh.
I'm so proud of myself.
Huh?
I'm so proud of myself.
You should be proud of yourself, Miss Pretty Lady. You should be.
Mm-hmm. We'll be back with more news right after this. Don't go anywhere. You're watching WBTV News 3. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back very shortly.